Do you rehearse for 10 minutes before making a phone call in French and still panic when they say Allô? Phone calls removes all your safety signals. No facial expressions, no body language. It's just fast French in your ears. And then you realize you're not the confident woman you are in your own language. In this video, I'm going to show you my 5-step methods to make phone call in French. Not perfectly, but calmly, clearly, and with confidence. Because you deserve to feel independent in that country, even on the phone. Everyone skips this, but it's key to stay calm in stressful situations. Do a 60 seconds grounding ritual before calling. Feet on the floor, do a slow inhale and exhale through your belly. And close your eyes. And you can tell yourself, okay, I don't need this to be perfect. I just need to get what I need. You'll see with this technique, you're gonna panic much less when the phone calls comes. Second step, don't use a script. If you want, you can write the first sentence. That's what I do in Spanish. If I need to explain a situation very clearly, I just write the first sentence and how to explain my situation. But instead of writing full sentences that will just increase your panic, you can create a 4-part structure. Greeting, context, request, confirmation. Bonjour, je vous appelle pour, je voudrais, est-ce que c'est possible de, donc si j'ai bien compris, merci beaucoup, au revoir. This prevents phrasing because you know the structure even if the words change. Step number 3, normalize asking people to slow down. Pardon, je n'ai pas bien compris. Est-ce que vous pouvez répéter plus lentement s'il vous plaît? It's not weakness. It's just taking the lead, okay? And it's gonna make a big difference. At least try it once and you'll see how it goes. Step 4, expect imperfection. You will misunderstand something. It might feel awkward sometimes, and that's normal. If I take my example, I'm fluent in Spanish, and sometimes I get a phone call and they speak so fast, I just don't get anything. So what I always do is saying, vous pouvez parler plus lentement, s'il vous plaît? And they just repeat more slowly and everything is fine. Step 5, record your call and listen to it afterwards. Check what worked, what new word did you hear, what will you reuse or change next time. So you learn from each phone call and from your experiences. Some students send me their recording, so I can give them some advice or what to improve for next time and help them with understanding if someone said something they didn't get. It's amazing to progress faster. First, you can try with an easy call, like asking for opening hours at a pharmacy or at a restaurant. Confidence grows through progressive exposure. So the more you try, the better you'll get. And by the way, we practice all of this in my 8-week coaching program. Find Your Voice in French. And if you want to really put this into practice now, I have a 3-day WhatsApp audio challenge for you. In 3 days, we'll work together to build spontaneity, boost your confidence, express yourself naturally, let go of fear and perfectionism. It's free and you can join right now. Click in the link below.